Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Jura Impresa S9 one-touch espresso machine. For this machine, we just did a tune-up, and we also had to replace the scraper. As you can see, this one is broken. We just replaced the O-ring from the brew unit, deep clean everything inside, and gave it a good descale cycle on this machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam side. Infusion. As you can see, we're having good water flow coming out of the machine and good color as well. Now we're gonna be using the hot water. And as you can see, steady flow coming out of the machine. Now we're going to be using the steamer side. Excellent pressure coming out of the machine. Great temperature. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, your Impresa working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.